Howdy folks, up at a new property today, so we call the Goodyear mine. It's got a couple of adits on it. We're going to head up to one up top. This is going to be a multi-part day as far as videos go. But we'll start off with this one right here. I believe it's what we call the Mud Limonite vein. It's got a streak of soft limonite in it. It's pretty much weathered out, not weathered out, but decomposed. Very interesting. This is different geology than we've ever been in down at the Green Mountain mine area, for sure. Different. So let's take a look at this one. This one kind of got to go up here a bit. A little bit of a trench they cut following the vein. This one trends 30 degrees west of north. So that's 330 degrees for y'all at home. But then we get up here and let's get up y'all. That's the hole we're going to go into later. It's a tight fit, to say the least. I don't know if you can actually see it or not. It's only about 18 inches high, about 28 inches wide, give or take, inside there. And if this is the one I'm thinking of, it goes in, opens up a bit, goes in, then it breaks right or left hand, breaks left, and then it's got some air holes in it. It's got some, we call them spider holes, that pop up through the surface every so often with a couple collapses in it. We're going to go in there here in a little bit, but we've got one spot to go to first, and we'll get into there. I'll walk down here and show you some other stuff real quick. But this mine was known to produce between ½ ounce and 2 ounces per ton on average. Did quite a bit here. We got a really good treat for y'all later when we get that we call the shade at it. There just happens to be some big old pine tree sitting on top of it. Not pine tree, whatever kind of tree that is, sitting on top of it. Here's where the geology gets a little different. Let me show you this rock. Alright, see how that quartz is all broke up in there? Let's roll it around. It's all broke up and then fused with limonite and iron in there. It's really different than what we have down at the Green Mountain. This being the limonite here, that kind of brownish stuff. Now, this is a brecciated quartz. It's been shattered, been re-cemented by either the fluid or the quartz coming up as well. And then we got slabs of this limonite coats. That held a lot of the values we're understanding. Reading the old mining reports. There we go. Now we're coming to this is part of the outcrop here. You see all that iron staining, all that orange in there inside that quartz. So we're in good shape there. And here's a better, focus right, yeah. That one main line right there, and then right there. But that's brecciated quartz. It's just been broken apart, and there's a country rock here. You can see that big iron stain right through here, running through it. Then you have top to bottom. Now, if it only been side to side, we'd say this is more like an intrusion. But these are all shattered, and all this quartz is just broken apart in pieces and reinvigorated, if you could say, with the limonite and the hydrothermal solutions, which brought the gold with it. You'll notice up here, there's going to be exceptionally little to no copper staining in any of this rock. That's because it's all been leached out. The rocks we're in today, and you see all that sediment. There's also, we're right on the border of a sedimentary intrusion that's only maybe 300 million years old. And the rock we're standing on is 1.6 to 1.8 billion. This is some of the oldest rock in this part of Arizona. But here's some really good examples of, brecciated quartz. This is more like just laminated, not necessarily brecciated. We'll get some brecciated later on. But this is unique because the veins up here don't run this direction. So we don't know what's going on in this property as of yet. The veins up here are supposed to all run 20 degrees. Actually, they're supposed to run 50 degrees opposite of what we're seeing here. I'm not sure if this is a test shaft or what's going on here. There's a lot of rock laying up in this spot. But we got a couple spots to explore tonight, today. We got to go way up there, not all the way up, but you can't see it from here. We're going up there way. It's all heavy brush, chaparral. It's no fun to walk through. So that's going to do it for this spot. We're going to head up to another spot that we've seen on the Google Earth that we don't know what it is, but it's got hard, sharp shadows on it. So we don't know if it's a mine entrance or what. About an eighth of a mile walk from here, so I'm going to head there next. And then come back and go inside this Adit here. We'll go from there. Till then, folks, bye-bye.